welcome to ClaimBase. I'm Liam Cogan, and I'm here to tell you what we're all about. In the world of veteran disability claims, there are a lot of scary stories about sharks, scary stories about bad help, people who don't answer emails, people who drop the ball. I actually experienced this 3 times over and ended up having to use an attorney that I had to pay because my experience with veteran services officers was so terrible. That's part of the reason why we made this. But after I heard stories from other veterans about why they had the same problems as I did, we had to do something. And it's very simple. When you go to a new town, you don't go to a restaurant without checking out Google, because you're going to check out their business, you're going to get their directions, you're going to get their phone number, and you're also going to peek that little 5-star bar to see if they have 1 out of 5 stars, because you and I both know nobody's going to a 1 out of 5-star restaurant. This gives you the same power. ClaimBase is a veteran services directory. We have all VA accredited only service officers, claims agents, and attorneys in our entire directory. So you know you're getting someone who's VA accredited. But the best part is you get to rate and review them. Your rating and review puts them in a ranking system that helps other veterans find the best help they possibly can. But the best part is that you can search by city, by state, by organization, by their name, and then you can share that person with your platoon mates, with your squadron mates, with your friends that are getting out of the military. You can find the person that helped you, that actually gave you a good time, gave you good service, and was kind to you. That's a big part of this service industry, this whole service industry. You can share that person's profile with your friend from your phone, and then your friend can access their profile and they can call right from their phone. We're eliminating all the BS, all the second guesswork, all the backdoor rooms, all the whispers of people who can help you with your disability claim. We're giving veterans the power. Go check it out. Find your VSO, rate them, review them, share with a friend. Thank you very much.